So if you want to get rid of the fractions in the first equation here, right? The lowest common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6. So multiply both sides by 6. Okay, if I do that, this one becomes 2x, then minus y. This is then minus 12 over 3, right? Or in this case, it'll be just minus 4. Okay, so we have that. Over here, the lowest common multiple of all the denominators is 12. So multiply everything by 12. Right? But let's change this to improper fraction first, okay? This is 3 over 2. So then multiplying everything through, we get x minus 3y is equal to, right? Multiplying by 12, right? The 2 will cancel with this one to get 6. So we just get 6 times 3. So we get 18 here, okay? Now, if I were to just, let's just multiply this second equation by 2, okay? If I do that, I end up getting 2x minus 6y is equal to 36. But now, right, if I subtract the first equation and the second equation, these x's cancel out, okay? So here, okay, if we subtract them, minus y minus minus 6 is 5y. Minus 4 minus minus 36 is, this will be minus 40. Divide both sides by 5, and we get that the answer is minus 8. Okay, so let's plug this back into this equation because the numbers are smaller here. Then we get 2x minus minus 8 has to be minus 4. This is 2x plus 8. Subtract 8 to both sides, right? This will become minus 12. Divide everything by 2, and we get x is minus 6.